Now these are 5 ways you can make money with Hawkit. I'm literally going to take your hands and you're going to literally see how I am making money with Hawkit. I'm going to show you guys the steps that you too can replicate and make money with time. So if one doesn't work, try to implement the rest. All of them is going to work. It only depends on the time you give it. Now look at the views. Look at the views. 2.3 million. This is 1.3 million people. And look at the likes, look at the comments, 2 comments, 3 comments. So now whenever you want to make money online or want to make money anywhere, you need to understand that there must either be a service or a product, and there must be a market. Looking at this Hawkit app is have the tendency to put in your product there or render a service there, and then there's a lot of markets. If this amount of people are seeing your goods, there's a high chance that you're going to make sale. I'm very sure that this person now has made a lot of sales. Now come to your browser and type it Hawkit.ng, and then what you're going to do is to create an account. So here you type in your full name and then come to this referral place and then put in Vixie G for Jeep, not Victor, Vixie G for G. And then that it showed me congratulations, I'm a member. So you have to become a member before you can start earning with the ways I'm about to show you in this video. It's only going to cost you 1,000 naira to become a member, and then you can be able to earn more money from this platform. So if you're confused to register on this platform, you can watch this video that is showing on the screen now. The link is going to be on the description of this video, so you can watch that video. So that it's going to guide you to become a member and then deposit your 1,000 naira. Very easy. First way in which you can make money with this Hawkit app is when you come to this end. You see this end. Now you see that you're going to perform tasks and then earn daily. So what you're going to do is click on get started. After you've clicked on the end, click on get started. You can see that you're going to post and then get 100 naira per post. Do you understand? So each time you post, you're going to get 100 naira, but the requirement for you to make this money or to make this is at least you must have like 1k subscribe 1k followers or subscribers in any social media platform. So all you're going to do first of all, now you see all of this, you're going to do is to just connect your socials. Like let's say now it's Twitter that I want to go for, or I don't have my Twitter. Okay, let's say it's Instagram that I want to go for, or Facebook. So let's say Facebook. So you just tap on Facebook here. You tap on select. On here is where you're going to add your Facebook profile. Now let me show you guys how to go get your Facebook profile. For Facebook, what you're going to do is to come to this up place here, this side here, this up place there, and then you are now going to tap on your profile. Tap on your profile on the 3 dots, and then you come down. You can see this is your link down here. This is your link down here. So you're just going to copy it, and then you're not going to take it back, and then so I'm pasting it here. So here that it says download adverts, you tap on this download advert here. So this is where you're going to download. You just hold on the image and then download image. You press and hold on the image and then download image, so you can see that it has downloaded. So what you're going to do is just to hold on the text too and then select all, and then you're going to copy it, because that's what you're going to post on your Facebook too. You now paste it here. Done that, what you're going to do is to now go back to your Facebook. See, now notice that we just posted the link to our profile here in the first box here, provision, and then we have now downloaded the image, and then we've now copied the text. So what we are going to do first of all is to go back to our Facebook. Here's what we are going to do. We just add and then post, and then we are now going to post that particular text that we copied. See the text we copied, then we now come down and then add picture, access, allow picture, and yeah, so this is how you're going to, then you just do next and then post it. Now I don't want to post this thing, so this is just how you guys are going to do. Now after you've post it, now come to this. Let's say this is the post. Let's say this is the post you made, this post here. What you're going to do is now come to this 3 dots here. Tap on the 3 dots of the post that you have just made, and then you're not going to look for link, copy link. Then you copy the link of the post that you have of the post you have made. Then you now come back to Hawkit and then come here, this down place. You're now going to paste that particular link for the post you have made, and then you're now going to click on link account. So then that's just how you're going to do it, and you're going to earn your money. That is if you have 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 followers on your Facebook, and that is how you're going to do with all other social media. Now the second way you can earn money here is by reselling people's products. So now let me show you guys, let me give you guys concept of reselling people's products. Now you see here, let's say for instance, now you're interested in selling these products that are here as ladies. You can see there's a lot of products you can sell here. Something like this shoe, this shoe for 15k. Let's say this shoe for 15k. This one here, this one you're interested in selling for 15k, and you're going to get 1,300 for any person that buys it. What you're going to do now is, first of all, you come down here to the shoe place and then tap on resell. Not buy this product, resell this product. So what you're going to do is to generate the link. You must know that when you generate a link for one particular product, it's only that particular product you've generated link for. You only generate a link for another particular product. So I just hope you understand. So now you can just share this. You can share this unique link on your WhatsApp. You can just share it on your WhatsApp, and you won't take it to your WhatsApp. Just share it here on your WhatsApp and then send it. But I don't want to share it to my WhatsApp. I'm just showing you guys how easy it's making everything. But now let me show you guys another way to promote certain things and then make sales faster. So now let's go to our Facebook. For this kind of thing, how you're going to think wisely on how you're going to promote this and make money with it is you go to groups. So let's say you're going to now go and look for fashion shoes for ladies. So when you search fashion shoe for ladies, you're going to see a lot of groups. Come to groups here. So what you're going to do is you're going to join all of these fashion groups. You just click on join. Now some of them might restrict you. Some of them you might have to explain why you want to join the group. So you can just explain, I want to join because I want to share certain fashion items and I want to buy certain fashion items. So you can just join groups. And now when you join groups, what you're going to start doing is, let me show you guys example in the groups that I have joined. I've joined all of these groups. Let's say this. What you can even do in this group is that what you're going to start doing is that you can just add posts. So you can just create posts. When you create posts, yes, depression and anxiety group. I'm just giving you guys an example. So here you can just write out things. What is the best lady shoe for the example of what I just posted here? Now this is like a psychology you're trying to play here that I'm just trying to do here. So you can post something like, okay, I think this shoe is overrated, just check it out, but a lot, that's what I want to say, a lot of classy ladies just keep buying it. So what you're going to do is now you're now going to paste your link and let's see, okay, yeah, so this link, you copy it, use the link for the product. You're now going to come here and then you're now going to paste the link here. And what you're going to do, you can even screenshot the picture of the shoe, and then you just come to photos here, and you're not going to post the photo of the shoe, and then you're just going to make a post in the fashion group. I just hope you guys are understanding. So now when you keep on doing these things day after day, at least in a month, you're definitely going to get results when you're strategic with posting certain content and then becoming always available in the group, and people are going to start to gravitate towards you, and you might make sales, and you will even make sales. You have high chances of making sales by doing all of these things when you're consistent in this. Third way you can earn is by you performing tasks. So what we're going to do is to come back to this N. See this N, we'll come back again, and then we'll go back to select the social media tags again, daily tags or posts. So now what we are going to do here this time around is no longer post advertisements, because this posting advertisement you need to have 1,000, just like how I talked to you guys about it in the first part of making money with Hawkit. Now this second one is you come to this engagement, perform engagement tags. You see this engagement tags, you see they are up to 199 engagement tags for today. So you just click on it, and then you see it has now come back to performing engagement tags. So there's a lot of tags that you can do here. You can earn money. You can see how much they charge, the tags available. So you can see down here there's no available down this YouTube that we just clicked on. There's no available down here, but you can see here there's one tax available here. And let's go up. You can see here there are 3 tags available here. There are 16 like and comment here. You can see it 16 here. You can see there are 16 here. There are 78, and here is 100 tags available. So what we are going to do is just let's come here and select this one. What we're going to do is click on generate your tax. Yes. Okay, so what you're going to do is tap on do now. Okay, so step one, you're going to open. You can see the steps that you must follow. Look at the steps here, all of this one here. So what we're going to do is, yeah, we'll visit link. You see this like, please, you like. So after we've liked, we'll come to this three dots. I think this is already follow. Okay, so we're already following the page. We are following it. So if you're not following, you come to that three dot and then you follow, or yeah, that three dot here, this one here, you now click on it. It's supposed to show you follow, then you follow. But we're already following, I guess. So you are now following as Victor. You can also follow them as the page. Okay, so you now come here again and then click on follow again. So you have now followed them. So what you have to do now is to screenshot here. Just screenshot it. You see, you've screenshotted it, and then you make sure that you're following them. You make sure it's showing follow. So when you tap on these three dots, you make sure that it's showing following here. You see this following here. You make sure that it's showing following. Then what you're going to do now is we're now going to go back to our Hawkit. Come here, tap on this screenshot, upload screenshot down here. This place down here, this one here. So you tap on it and it's going to take us to our screenshot. Then we select the screenshot and that's open. Then your Facebook name is what you're going to enter here. So my Facebook name is Victor. Then you are now going to click on upload proof. So you can see the message that show you thank you. Let me remove this. That show you thank you. So tax has been verified. And then let's go back. So one completed, and what you're going to do is continue generating. So you can keep on generating, just keep on tapping on generate, and more tax should be coming. And you can do this tax, you can keep on doing this tax every single day. You can keep on doing this tax, and you make sure you check whether there's available tax. You see, like this Facebook tax, it's like it has even finished. So I think their tax here now is okay. This is for adverts. So yes, so you can see there are 80 tax remaining for you to do per day, so you can do it. Sorry I couldn't finish the video because it's already too long, and I'm going to try to make a part 2 showing you guys order, revealing the rest of the ways you can make money with this Hawkit app. So just see you guys, and you can download the app also, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video and share it to other people that are looking for ways to make money online.